for you. What words do you know? Sit up so you can see.
Is for you.
Very good. Touch him, push him. It is for you. Excellent. It is for you. Good reading. Listen. He can be here. What words do you know? Look at him.
Can
Good. Leave it there.
be.
Very good. Now push and read. He can be here. Good job. He can be here. Very good. Here we go. Listen. Can she, listen, can she have one? What words do you know?
Can.
Very good. Push it and read. Start with can. Can she have one? Very good. It's a question. You hear that in our voice? It has a question mark. Good job. All right, next one. Listen. Look. A bug can bite. What word do you know?
A
Good. What else?
can.
Very good. Push them and read. A bug can bite. Very good. A bug can bite. Excellent. Listen.
A bug can bite you.
Sure. Listen. I said hi to her. What words do you know?
I
Good.
to
Very good. And one of our new words this week. Do you see it? Said. What's the word?
said.
What's the word?
Said.
Very good. Push it and read. Start with I. I said hi to her. Very good. Sit down. I said hi to her. Excellent. It will be big. Last one. Which words do you know?
Be.
Very good. Push it and read. Start with it. It will be big. Good reading today, McKaylee. Whoa, we missed. Try again.